lightsaber ignites. Lightsaber. Turn the lights on. Got my helmet and snow mask, snow goggles. Got my spare phone, my headphones, remote control, and there's a Star Wars t-shirt that I wore yesterday to Moonbus. We've got TV there, telemarketing channel I've got on at the moment. A few empty copies and brand new batteries and train passes. Backpack, map of the world, television, clock. Got the same board as usual, but got new wheels. I'll look over here. There's 3 skateboards. The old one, another old one, and a brand new one. And down here we have some shoes, Adidas, World Industries, Globe, and slippers. What else do we have here? Like I said, map of the world, old wheels, knee pads, antiperspirant, deodorant. Now, look at the map of the world. A little bit closer. Yeah. There are 14 million skateboarders in USA, 11 million are street skaters, 2 or 3 million are half-pipe skaters and bowl skaters, big bowl skaters, and most of them know who Jedi is, if not more. I don't know about all of them, but most of them know who Jedi is in America. Canada has skateboarders, about 4 million skateboarders, and most of them know who Jedi is. Australia, of course, over here. Most of the skateboarders in Australia know who Jedi is. And a fair few in England, Britain, Scotland, Wales, Ireland, and Europe know who Jedi is, but I wouldn't say Jedi has as much of an influence on Europe and Britain as he does on USA, Canada and Australia, because Britain and Europe are more keen on their soccer and football and rugby than skateboarding or surfing. They're keen on snowboarding, but not so much skating and surfing. So it's pretty much Australia, USA and Canada are probably the forefront of skateboarding in the world, but most of the skateboarders in those countries know who Jedi is. Yeah. So we'll look around, hey? What's going on? Let's have a look, hey? Well, Brazil has the #1 surfer in the world going from last year, Gabriel Medina, and they also have the blind surfer, professional surfer, Derek Rebello. So yeah, Brazil are hanging in there at the moment, but in Japan, 2020 Tokyo Olympics next year, I'd say USA or Canada are the odds-on favourite to win it. Australia will put up a fight, but maybe, and even Brazil. USA and Canada will be the favourites, but Brazil could win as well. And Australia will put up a fight, but won't be able to beat USA or Canada or Brazil. Their teams are too strong. But yeah, Australia will put up a fight, so will New Zealand, but it's not. They'll be outmatched most likely by USA and Canada and even probably Brazil. But anyway, let's see if that is how it occurs. Anything could happen in the Olympics, and seeing as it's the first time that skateboarding has ever been in the Olympics. So yeah, Jedi will be watching keenly. What's on the telemarketing channel? We have models showing off leather boots, eh? My model showing off leather boots. What's the time check? 8:07. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see how it goes at Tokyo.